Thank you very much for the time for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thanks very much for time. I want to present my papers. And as you know that the Nusantara people have for ages lived in religious life. Yeah. There have been living a life based on the belief in God the Almighty, creator of the universe and all that in therein. Although he who rules the universe is invisible to man, but man can believe in his nature. For example, when in Sriwijaya era is the Buddhist empire, while during Majapahit Empire, the people observe Hindu and Buddha, particularly Hindu Siwa and Brahmana. And also nowadays, Indonesian government recognize the six religion: Islam, Catholics, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. Man will come to the end he aspires to if during his life in the Alamatya in this world he leads a life inspired by the nature of Lord. Goal of life is to be good and how to achieve or to unite again with the God Almighty. So in Japanese culture and philosophy, past, present, and the future also will explain about how actually Japanese men live in the world. Yeah. Okay. So we will focus of discussion with the first one is cultural concept, the cultural element, component of culture, and culture in Japanese. Japanese culture and philosophy, culture and Japanese culture and also Japanese philosophy, we can start from the term of culture itself. The culture or kultur is from Sanskrit budaya, which is the plural from Budi, mind, and religion, interpreted as the thing related to mind and human mind. Culture is called culture, which is derived from the Latin colere, which means the cultivate or work on land or farming. The word culture is also translated culture in Indonesia. Now, let me note that the first thing that culture itself, like is membaca or meluku, usually in traditional agriculture in Java, the people before start farming the paddy, they luku first, then after that, the people start on that farming. And actually, because the paddy is more or the rice is more important for Japanese life, so usually some ritual also be practiced in their life. Okay, the next please. This is the meaning of the culture in Indonesia or in Japanese actually. The goal include knowledge, belief, arts, moral, law, customs, as well as other abilities or habits acquired by the human as members of society. And also the culture itself, the way of thinking and the way of feeling, which express itself in all aspects of the life of a group of people that sums of a social unity in space and time. And also the way of thinking and the way of feeling expresses itself in the way it applies and the way it acts. In other words, the way of doing in life or the way of life. So in Japanese culture, actually, the culture itself to be practiced by the people in their daily life. So the form of culture itself, there is an ideas, activity, and artifact. The ideas meet a form of culture in the form of collection of ideas. Ideas itself, values of norm, rules, and so on that are abstract, cannot be tested. Yeah, first thing that the culture is idea, but not only an idea for the Japanese people, the culture also be practiced in their life. Like as been mentioned by Mr. Arkom Kusmanjono, that in Japanese, like what is called like culture say that human being or man is the animal symbolism. That means man, as most people in Japanese, full of symbol, yeah, full of symbol. The second form of culture is activity. The form of culture as an act or pattern of human beings in that society. This form is also called the social system. The third form of cultural, the artifact, physical cultural form that are the result of the activities, doing and work for all of human beings in society in the form of object or thing that can be seen and documented. Like what happened last week, there is new artifact in the Javanese culture itself. When the Institute Teknologi Surabaya performed what is called wayang hybrid. That is the collaboration between puppet shadow and wayang wong. And also in today later, there is also the performance of the new wayang kulit in new format as an artifact. Okay, the next please. In Javanese culture, human works in like in religion. That we mentioned by Mr. Arkon, how to Javanese people harmonize between religious and culture. In religion, for example, in Nusantara itself, for example, when Sriwijaya Empire with the Buddhist culture, and in Majapahit era with Buddha and Hindu religion, but it is more complicated and influence each other. So Javanese can be found in the religion, the literature and language, art and sport, technology, education, and actually in culinary. It's very famous now in the Javanese culture. Culinary now is more popular for the young generation when they go or come to the new place. It's not only want to see about the environment, but also want to taste the culinary advice. So in the next place, the development of culture itself is also influenced by the development of the science. Culture is the work of man, which includes the result of human reason, taste, and will. Therefore, culture never stops, continue throughout the ages. It's the process that takes a long time to fulfill the human desire for the more quality. If the culture is the work of man, then the science as the result of the human reason is also the culture. So that means that science itself is part of the culture. But the science can be said to be the end result in human mental development and can be considered the most optimal result in human culture. Like before we have like culinary or the special food for Japanese. Now, not only be traditional in party or something like that, but now with the new development on science, the people can order the food or Japanese food by like in Kaleng or by Kuhut or by Kusen or something like that. But very new phenomenon in the culture, also in harmonize with the development of science and technology with the same situation and condition because of pandemic COVID-19. The cultural component itself, so many kind like what is that according to the culture is on the form of cultural component. Material culture refers to all real, concrete creation of society. For example, carving, batik, and something like that. And you can find in the society. And how non-material cultures are abstract creation passed down from generation to generation, such as fairy tales, folklore, and traditional songs and dances. And still, institution of education provide a large role in the context of contact and communication of the nature of the society. Our society developed and built a system of trust or belief in something which will affect the assessment system in society, like artistic deals with art, music, story, fairy tales, sagas, mass, and dance which take place and thrive in society. Language is means of communication. The language for each region, part, and state has a very complex difference. Okay, the next. The cultural element, actually so many kinds, but maybe we can find some the like religious ceremonies in Indonesia or in particularly in Java. So many religious ceremony and combined with the cultural ceremonies, like for example in Jogja or Solo, usually we have Grebek, that is ceremony, it's a religious ceremony actually, but we combine with the cultural event. Another things like community system and organization. Community system based on the cultural, like group kesenian or something like that, group discussion or copat, and can find in the society up to now. Yeah. And also the cultural elements like the system of knowledge, language, and arts. Yeah. And like another thing is the livelihood system and agricultural technology system. This is also some elements of the cultural. Okay, the next please. In Javanese philosophy, also the same with our concept before. There we have the metaphysics of ontology and epistemology and axiology. So actually, from the aspect of ontology of metaphysics, up to now, the Javanese culture is still exists in the society. However, during the pandemic, how to perform, how to express the culture is maybe different from before pandemic COVID-19. So, like on the text of axiology, that you know that the Javanese culture with full of Buddhism consists of so many kind of values. Okay, the next please. In Javanese metaphysics or ontology, Javanese culture and Javanese thought based on culture, character, tradition, and custom. Javanese implement thought in his life, for example, in local wisdom or local genius. Local genius, Java blends with space based on thought and taste, make it visual, including the term of conveying moral values to the next generation. This will give a great contribution to the cultivation of philosophical values needed in the life of society and the nation. In establishing a harmonious relationship between man and himself, between man and others, between man with the environment, and between man and the creator. The values of life is found among others in paribasan, bebasan, mocopat, lakon, and some. Yeah. And also, you know that the mocopat is very nice poem in Java. From the perspective of epistemology, what is kebenaran or benar? That usually in Java, you know about the three kind of benar. Yeah. Benere dewe, benere wong akeh, and benere ingkang sejati. Truth based on the subjective individual decision about an object, that is benere dewe, just only by himself. And secondly, benere wong akeh, truth based on the collective decision of crowd, kebenaran yang didasarkan pada orang. And benere ingkang sejati, truth based on collective decision of crowd. Okay, the next please. Now, we said that in mocopat or poetry, or Javanese poetry, a song that describes the journey of human life. The goal of human life itself is manunggaling kawula kan Gusti, or the unity to the Creator, or sometimes to be purified for the people. And as actually the human being, the goal of life also to be good life. From the 11 things song, the first one from Mas Kumamba, Bijil, Sinom, Kinanti, Asmorondono, Gambuh, Dandang Kula, Megatro, Durmo, Pangkur, Gambuh, and Puncung. Yeah, this 11 step in the life. In Javanese axiology, the axiology concerns the origin of the benefit of Javanese human flexibility. For example, ngeli nanging ora keli, iwake ora budek banyune. We don't have to make the situation is not unstable. Or for example, kena kembange ora godhong and some. Just think this concept is using the energy of objective states and input on the multipliers of such force, object and subject united in them. In Javanese axiology, is emphasized on the values of the beauty taste and the good value of human behavior, like in Unggah Ungguh, Toto Kromo, Ya, for example, empan papan, tambe hati, kalau mongso. That means as an attitude or deed that is a good thing that in place. And also maybe some perbasan or paribasan we can find in the daily life. Like when we uphold the teacher, uphold the parent, mikul dur mendem jero. That means we should respect to our teacher. We have to respect our parents, or we respect to the seniors. Lastly, we conclude that Japanese culture and philosophy in the past many found in ancient book, in Japanese book, or in culture form like View of Life content the life of Japanese people. It contain noble values and can be studied through sociological, epistemological, and actually perspective. So when we open so many books, many kind of culture in the last or in the past, it still can be find in at the moment. But maybe some students do their thesis or their dissertation. Sometimes they analyze of the old book from the Japanese culture just for the long time. But as the values itself is still can be practiced for this generation. Secondly, Japanese culture and philosophy today, as a result of human works, is still upheld and studied and realized in practical life as a way of life. And science put in the term of studies among academics and studying culturalists, and also to be combined between two, the culture and science. And as we know that some performance in culture, in Japanese culture, maybe we can find with the new perspective of science and technology. And the third one, the Japanese culture and philosophy for the future need to be passed on the next generation to be actualized and development so that it is always up to date, so that it isn't according with the time. So I think that my presentation we can discuss later about what kind of Japanese culture and philosophy in the past, in present, and also in the future. Thank you very much. So now the time I come back to the moderator. Thank you.